Hello friends, welcome to Original Studio and the first part of ForceVision AI. It's been a long while since we posted a long video and we are sincerely apologies for that. So straight away we are going to see about this app and first the option will be the solver and you have to upload a image of a problem. You have an image and you have to give analyze and solve. As you can see, the solution was generated. The answer was 10 kn at 0 degree and the supports are pin at A and roller at A. So the loads are given and the dimension as 6 m. And as you can see, the FBD has generated and you can download as a PDF as well. And I will download it lastly only. So as we are going to see about step by step solution for the problem. First, the free body diagram of the problem was explained, and reactions were explained, moments explained, and finally, about this problem, as you can see, the solutions will given in just seconds only. How did you get the final answer? And the answer was generated by a tutor of our app. Then again, next question, and the answer was generated within a minute. As you can see, the action comes from the coordinate system. And next we going to see about the FBD of this problem and the overall FBD generated for every problem, and we are going to explore that. So as you can see, the FBD was given in 2D. You can animate it as well. As the force was and the 3D will connected. You can zoom and you will get a new experience from any AI. You can get this experience as well. You can only get this experience in our app. And you can see you can generate a PDF also as well. You can see the PDF was generated the complete solution of it. So we are going to explore the next option, which is live. You can ask any questions in this. For example, I'm going to give 10 AN at horizontal and the result was generated and the animation of the video was generated. As you can see, force was going from left to right or right and R is 10 only, 10 N only. As you can see, supports and forces. If we give forces, it will disable, and if supports is not given in this particular problem, you have typed. And here we have to explore tutor as well. As you can see, I am going to go how to you draw a free body diagram. So free body diagram isolates a body from its surrounding and shows external forces acting on it, applied loads, support reactions, weight, friction, and moments. To draw the isolated body, replace supports with reaction forces, draw all applied forces and add a coordinate system, and finally label everything. And we are going to explore practice generator as well, which is the main good feature of this app as well. The simply supported beam of length 9.43 mK is a point load of 4156 kN force. It is a medium level question, and if you don't like it, you can give new set, and we can explore hard questions of its well as well. If you give slow solution, it will generate as well. If you want, you can download as a PDF as well for your convenience. So as you can see, moments and reactions, and finally angle as given as well. If you want easy questions, you can give easy questions as well. It will generate. For the easy question, the PD was given as F1 is equal to 13.1338. Sorry. So as you can see, IA was given as 16.5 6.69, and finally the quiz option as well. In a block of mass on the resting the horizontal surface with the mu is equal to 0.4, find the maximum friction force. And in this problem, we can take G is equal to 9.81, and the answer is 113.8 n. The cantilever beam of length 6m carries a point load of 29 kN at its free hand. Find the fixed end. So I'm going to give you a random answer for it. So the correct answer was 174 kN per meter. As you can see, 1 lakh per plus unique questions in the quiz was given in this. As you can generate many questions in this quiz mode as well. And the next option will be dashboard, as we have already seen in the first slide as well. So the accuracy was given, and mistake generator is also given. Uh, in this, you can identify where you have a mistake in the problem. You have to type the problem and the solution, and you have stuck in the point, right, and you can identify the point, and you can take outputs from it. And the teacher mode, as you can see, this is from inspired from Google Classroom. You can assign a team, and you can form a group of members with your friends as well. So finally, subscribe to Original Studio and like this video. Thank you.